It's December 27th, 2014. This is Steve Chesney once again. Same test as the previous video. The power output has stabilized around 4.1 to 4.2 degrees centigrade, and the emissions have stabilized pretty much as well. They're a little less than they were before. So anyway, the test has been running for about an hour, and I believe at this point the device has entered more or less a steady state. So that's good. That means that the results I'm getting are totally reasonable. These results are representative of the device in its steady state operation at this power level. You can see right here the fuel duty cycle is at 40. These numbers over here are just timing numbers. The power differential, you can see, is about 4.2 degrees centigrade. Fans are at 100%, and that's the situation. So, since the test has been running for an hour and we've reached steady state, I'm going to let it go for probably another 20 minutes or so, half an hour. And as it's getting into the late afternoon, you can see it's dusk here in Wolcott, Connecticut. I'm getting a little hungry, and I should probably go home and relieve my dear wife Elise from child care duties, which she has been very gracious about doing all day today. So that's the gist of it. Nothing else has changed. Everything is working well. One thing you may recall from previous tests is the power output was higher, so I think changing the thermometer, or the output thermometer, from this position to this position has had a noticeable difference. What I believe was happening was that the very, very hot refractory that's inside of the barrel down here was conducting heat along the copper pipe, and the temperature sensor was picking that up, at least, and it was muddled together with the water temperature reading. So rather than the water conducting to the pipe, the refractory in the hot area inside was conducting to the pipe and screwing up the readings, which is why I was getting such exceptionally high temperature readings last time, which even at the time I'm like, there's no way that's completely legit. So upon analysis, I figured that out and said, you know what, let's see what's going to happen this time. This time, as a result, has been much more stable. The readings are much more believable. So once again, you can see the readings there. But yep, stabilizing right around 4.1 to 4.2. So I believe that, and I think I can take these results to the bank. So we're going to try probably another 1 or 2 test runs before I close up shop for the winter, and I'm hoping to corroborate these results.